It's beginning to look and feel a lot like Christmas. Don't blow your budget trying to keep up with the Joneses or what you feel obligated to do for gifts. Hi, I'm Stephanie Prescott of REMAX Capital Properties with this month's Financial Friday video. I love this time of year. The music, the lights, the decorations, the cookies, and mostly the memories. Through my life, I can only remember a handful of gifts I've received. I'll bet you're the same way. So keep that in mind as you prepare for the spending and sense of must-dos that accompany this time of year. So 4 tips I'd like to share with you on how not to overextend yourself during the holidays are: 1, don't compare and compete with the Joneses. Consumerism is not what makes Christmas memories. It's the people and the peace you surround yourself with. This is an easy one for me since my love language is time. Number 2, decide not to go into debt for gift giving. It's that simple. If you can't pay cash for it without negatively impacting your monthly household budget, then don't buy it. Write a letter, a poem, organize a game night, or bake a treat for your loved ones, friends, and coworkers instead. It's okay to tell them why you're doing it too. And number 3, give yourself a pass and give a pass to those that you typically exchange gifts with. Make the agreement not to exchange gifts this year. Choose to live below your means and encourage others around you to do the same. And number 4, finally, be a good steward. With financial abundance comes responsibility. So if you find yourself with a little extra cash this holiday season, share it with others. Every nonprofit is asking for help and donations. Choose the one that matches your values and take them a gift of cash or other requested items that they need. I hope this helps you navigate this season with more clarity. As a personal and business follower of Dave Ramsey, I suggest visiting his website for other money-saving tips so you can experience less guilt and stress at this time of year. From our family to yours, we wish you a very Merry Christmas.